You ever sit there, eyes blurry, staring at your bank app, hoping the numbers change while you weren't looking? That was me, just 2 years ago. Broke, burnt out, pretending I was okay when I wasn't even sure I'd make rent. I had done everything right: degrees, long hours, corporate loyalty, and still, nothing to show for it except anxiety and a shrinking bank balance. One night I opened YouTube, not to learn but to escape, and I stumbled on a video that said, "Make your first $1,000 in passive income." I rolled my eyes, but I clicked, and that click changed everything. If you haven't seen it, that video walks you through how I made my first $1,000 online. But this video, this one's different, because making $1,000 is survival. Making $5,000, that's freedom. Let me say something nobody says out loud. You don't need to be the smartest, or the most creative, or even the most confident. You need a system that works and keeps working. And today, I'll show you that system, step by step. No fluff, no $997 course. Just you and me, all the way through. Most people don't fail because they're lazy. They fail because they try 10 things at once, hoping something works. Then they quit when it doesn't pay off in 30 days. The internet lied to us. Passive income is real, but it's not magic. It's a system, like a well-tuned machine. One that you build slowly, patiently, and smartly. That's why today, I won't show you just ideas. I'll show you what to build, how to build it, what tools to use, what not to waste time on, and how AI makes this 10 times easier than it was 2 years ago. You already made your first $1,000. Now let's build the machine that pays you while you sleep. This blueprint has one purpose: replace your monthly job income with passive income. Step by step in this order. Here's the 3-pillar system. Just the hook. We'll go deep in the next parts. Pillar 1, build your base. Choose one monetizable system, not 5. 1. Pillar 2, productize your value. Whether it's a digital product, an AI service, or an automated offer. Pillar 3, scale through systems, traffic, conversion, automation. Don't worry if those words feel new. I'll walk you through each one. Like a friend, like a guide, like the mentor I wish I had when I started. Before we go deeper, if this is already hitting home, pause this video and do 2 things. Drop a comment. This is my $5,000 journey. Let me know who's walking this path with me. And if you missed part 1, how I made my first $1,000 in passive income, go watch it now. Because next, we're getting into what they never teach. How to build your income engine from scratch and scale it like the top 1% do. Quietly. Okay, let's get to the core. You don't need 10 income streams. You need one system that works. It starts with a foundation, your business model. Here are 3 passive income machines I've used or built for others. 1. Digital product empire. Create once, sell forever. Think Notion templates, ebooks, online courses, coaching programs. Why it works. No shipping, no stock, infinite scale. Example, a faceless YouTuber made $7,000 a month selling AI templates. No camera, no problem. 2. AI-powered services offer value using tools like ChatGPT, Midjourney, ElevenLabs. Why it works. AI handles 80% of the work. You automate the rest. Example, a woman in the UK runs a resume service, fully automated. She makes $3,000 a month, checks it twice a week. 3. Content plus affiliates. Make helpful content, recommend tools, get paid when people sign up. Earn from ConvertKit, Beehiiv, and Pictory, just by showing how I use them. Now pause, pick one. That's all you need to hit your first $5,000 a month. Here's the 7-day product system. Day 1, pick a problem you've solved. Example, I use Notion to stay organized. Day 2 to 3, build with ChatGPT, prompt it to help outline your ebook, guide, or course. Day 4 to 5, package it, use Canva or Notion. Clarity greater than fancy. Day 6, upload to Gumroad, Ko-fi, or Lemon Squeezy. Keep it simple. Day 7, launch quietly. You don't need followers. You need 5 people to say, I needed this. That's your first $100. It snowballs from there. You're here to build once and let tech deliver it forever. So you've built it. You've put something real into the world. Now the question is, how do you get people to pay for it? Not beg, not pitch, not spam, but sell in a way that feels authentic, natural, and true to you. Forget ads. Forget hacks. Your first 50 customers, they'll come from 3 free sources that worked for me with 0 audience. 1. Pinterest, visual traffic engine. Use Canva to design 3 to 5 scroll-stopping pins. Title ideas. I made $1,000 from this digital product, no followers. Passive income planner, free download. Link them to your Gumroad or a free Notion page. Pinterest isn't social media, it's a search engine. Your pins work months after posting. 2. Reddit, real questions, real sales. Join subs like Our Side Hustle or Your Passive Income, HR Fire. Don't drop links. Tell your story. Share what you built. Example, hey, I made a Notion dashboard to track income as a creator. Happy to share. Only add links if someone asks. One honest Reddit post brought me 11 sales. 0 ads, 0 followers. Just real value. 3. YouTube Shorts plus Insta Reels. Use Pictory to turn 1 to 2 lines of your product into a 30 seconds faceless short. Hook idea. One tool helped me earn $500 online in 21 days. Add link in bio or first comment. Shorts are your front door. Your product? That's what they walk into. Here's what I wish I knew before my first launch. Don't obsess over numbers. Obsess over impact. Your first 10 sales? Messy. Someone might refund. You'll miss a typo. You'll doubt everything. But ship it anyway. Those first real messages from strangers, they change you. You realize you're not selling, you're serving. Build early trust with 3 simple things. Freebie, give a Notion tracker or checklist story posts. Share what you're building, learning comments. Ask, how do you track income? What's your biggest blocker? Listen, connect. That's your brand. Your product is the asset, but your story, honesty, and empathy, that's the brand. If you're launching soon, comment, product built, time to sell. I want to celebrate you. We systematize everything. Content flywheels, AI automation, email lists, so you stop hustling and start compounding. The hustle phase, it's necessary, but it's not sustainable. You can't build freedom if you're always chasing the next sale. Real freedom begins when your work starts working for you. Every $5,000 per month creator I know runs the same 3-step engine, whether they realize it or not. Step 1, create once. Evergreen content, a long-form YouTube video, a few Pinterest pins, 1 helpful freebie, like a Notion wealth planner. You don't need daily posts. You need digital roots that keep growing while you sleep. Step 2, capture attention, free value, real connection. Use Beehiiv or ConvertKit. Freebie, email list, offer. No pressure, no gimmicks. I make money while I sleep, not by tricking people, but by earning their trust. Step 3, compound with systems. Set up once, let it run. Zapier, Airtable, automate your welcome series. Tag your most engaged subscribers. Build bundles, schedule launches. Once it's built, it's like clockwork. You're not chasing, you're nurturing. Here's how AI helps. Opus Clip. For content repurposing, ElevenLabs for voiceovers, ChatGPT for scripts, Midjourney for visuals, Perplexity for research, ConvertKit for email funnels. I turned a 10-minute voice memo into a YouTube script, 3 shorts, and an email funnel in under an hour. It's not about replacing you, it's about amplifying you. My simple tech stack, Notion for planning, Gumroad to host products, Beehiiv for emails, Tally to collect leads, Pictory for faceless videos, Zapier to connect it all. You don't need a team, you need systems. You don't need 10,000 followers, you need 1,000 true believers. If this helped you reimagine scaling without burnout, comment, system equals freedom, because that's what we're building here. Next up, the millionaire mindset, the silent patterns that keep most people broke, and how to rewire them, from what to do to who to become. You've seen the strategy, the tools, the systems, but none of it matters if your mindset keeps you stuck at zero. Most think they have a money problem, but it's really a safety problem. You've been taught to survive, not build, not trust yourself. That fear when you post your first product, that doubt pricing it at $49 instead of $9, that hesitation to say, yes, I'm building a business, and that's not laziness. It's years of scarcity and self-doubt. I lived that for 29 years, until I realized the person I wanted to be was waiting beyond discomfort. You're not just a viewer, you're a builder, betting on yourself. Wealth isn't from chasing money, it's from becoming the person who attracts it. So, will you build? Drop a comment. I'm building my $5,000 system. If you're serious, I'll reply. We build together. Watch this again. If you haven't started here, next video, scaling beyond $5,000 without burnout, without selling your soul. Binge the playlist. Passive income mastery. This isn't hustle, it's transformation. I don't sell dreams, I give systems. Successful creators think differently. Poor mindset and wealth mindset. What if I fail? What if this works? I'm not ready. I'll learn by doing. Wealth comes from thinking better, choosing differently, acting before you're ready. Want $5,000 a month? Act like you already do, not faking. Building like your future self is watching. Subscribe to Value Over Vanity. Build your future, one decision at a time.